Hey guys, it's Tim Jordan of Hickory Flats, here in the warehouse, introducing a new series of videos that we're going to be doing called the Frequently Asked Questions series. The reason for this is with all of our sourcing and shipping and import and logistics services, we get a lot of the same questions asked over and over. And with all the other private label sellers that we work with, social media, emails, they're all asking us the same thing. We figured, hey, what better way than to use our experience, our knowledge, and explain some of these things to you so that you're better educated in your private label and e-commerce journey. The things that we're going to be talking about are the things that we're experts at: sourcing, where to find stuff, what stuff to find, how to work with suppliers and vendors, what countries you can use, what type of products you should or shouldn't source. And then we're also going to talk about shipping and import. Different ways to ship: air, ocean, LCL, LTL, air freight, air express, the differences. What can I export from certain countries? What can I import and what can I not import into the US, EU, other countries that sales platforms are selling on? It's a lot of information. We feel that it's super valuable, going to be a super good thing for you to have in your repertoire of information, and it's also going to help us explain to you our services better, which in turn is going to make you more empowered to be a seller, importer, and entrepreneur in general.